You'll often find recipes calling for whipped egg whites when you're making batters, mousses, or meringues. Start with a large, clean bowl with high sides and your egg whites. You can do this in a stand mixer, with a hand mixer, or even by hand for a serious arm workout, but the approach is all the same: beat the eggs. Soon, you'll see the egg whites start to change from clear to white. When you beat egg whites, you are doing two things simultaneously. You are denaturing or altering the protein structure of the egg whites by whipping them, and you are trapping air inside the egg whites to create a foam. A foam is a combination of a liquid, in this case the egg white, and a gas, air. The trapped air is what makes the egg whites expand and grow into this light and fluffy consistency that can hold its structure even when it's baked. Once your egg whites are whipped, you're typically either going to be folding or gently mixing them into other ingredients, or sweetening them to make a meringue. If your recipe says to add sugar, you'll want to wait until the egg whites are starting to become a soft solid. Add in the sugar slowly, beating in between, to make sure the sugar doesn't break the foam down. There you go. Way less challenging than it sounds.